Welcome to Kiddo English Club Educational Channel.
Wake up, dear.
5 minutes, Mom.
Wake up, dear.
5 minutes, Mom.
No, it's school time.
Okay, I am up.
No, it's school time.
Okay, I am up.
Go brush your teeth.
I am brushing. Mom.
Go brush your teeth.
I am brushing. Mom.
Good girl, now wash your face.
Done, Mom.
Good girl, now wash your face.
Done, Mom.
Wear your uniform.
Where is my tie?
Wear your uniform.
Where is my tie?
Here is your tie.
Thank you, Mom.
Here is your tie.
Thank you, Mom.
Comb your hair.
Can you help me?
Comb your hair.
Can you help me?
Yes, I will comb it.
It looks nice.
Yes, I will comb it.
It looks nice.
Yes, very pretty.
What's for breakfast?
Yes, very pretty.
What's for breakfast?
Bread and egg.
I like egg.
Bread and egg.
I like egg.
Drink your milk too.
Okay, Mom.
Drink your milk too.
Okay, Mom.
Hurry up, the bus will come.
I am eating fast.
Hurry up, the bus will come.
I am eating fast.
Take your school bag.
Where is my water bottle?
Take your school bag.
Where is my water bottle?
It's in the bag.
Thank you, Mom.
It's in the bag.
Thank you, Mom.
Don't forget your homework.
Homework is in my bag.
Don't forget your homework.
Homework is in my bag.
Very good.
Mom, the bus is here.
Very good.
Mom, the bus is here.
Okay, let's go.
Bye, Mom.
Okay, let's go.
Bye, Mom.
Welcome home, dear.
Hi, Mom.
Welcome home, dear.
Hi, Mom.
How was school today?
It was good.
How was school today?
It was good.
Did you learn something new?
Yes, I learned a poem.
Did you learn something new?
Yes, I learned a poem.
That's nice.
I will recite it for you.
That's nice.
I will recite it for you.
Okay, let me hear.
Recites poem.
Okay, let me hear.
Recites poem.
Very good.
Thank you, Mom.
Very good.
Thank you, Mom.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Wash your hands first.
Okay, I am washing.
Wash your hands first.
Okay, I am washing.
Now sit at the table.
What's for lunch?
Now sit at the table.
What's for lunch?
Rice and chicken.
Yummy, I love chicken.
Rice and chicken.
Yummy, I love chicken.
Eat slowly.
Okay, Mom.
Eat slowly.
Okay, Mom.
Do you want salad?
Yes, please.
Do you want salad?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you, Mom.
Here you go.
Thank you, Mom.
Drink some water.
I am drinking.
Drink some water.
I am drinking.
Finished?
Yes, I am full.
Finished?
Yes, I am full.
Good. Now rest a little.
I want to play first.
Good. Now rest a little.
I want to play first.
Just 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes only.
Just 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes only.
Don't get tired.
I won't, Mom.
Don't get tired.
I won't, Mom.
Now it's homework time.
I will bring my books.
Now it's homework time.
I will bring my books.
Sit here and write.
I am writing, Mom.
Sit here and write.
I am writing, Mom.
Read this page aloud.
Reads aloud.
Read this page aloud.
Reads aloud.
Very nice reading.
Thank you, Mom.
Very nice reading.
Thank you, Mom.
Now do your math.
I know the sums.
Now do your math.
I know the sums.
Good girl.
Homework is done.
Good girl.
Homework is done.
Excellent. I am proud of you.
I love you, Mom.
Excellent. I am proud of you.
I love you, Mom.
Love you, my pretty doll.
Love you too, my mom.
Love you, my pretty doll.
Love you too, my mom. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe to our channel.